What's up, everyone? I quickly wanted to share a statistic with you that I've heard this week, and it's quite a scary statistic actually. Only 6% of South Africans will be able to retire at the age of 65. Yes, guys, that is a scary number, right? And guys, most of the business owners, investors, and professionals that we work with are well aware that they need to earn additional income or grow their current income. But most of them say to me, George, we do not know where to start. So what we've done, guys, is we've actually created an income readiness quiz, right? It will take you about 2 to 3 minutes to complete it, and it will show you exactly where you are in your journey to earn additional income, how ready you are to go to the next level, and what you need to focus on in the phase that you are in at the moment, right? So all that you need to do, guys, is drop the word quiz in the comment section. We'll send you the link. It will take you about 2 to 3 minutes to complete it, and it will give you that information that you need to have to know what step do you need to take next to start moving towards that place where you start earning additional income, where you start growing your asset base, and where you are going to be part of that 6% as you come closer to retirement. So again, guys, drop the word quiz in the comment section and we'll send it over to you right away.